नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Today I want to explain the econometric model. An econometric model, on one side there are dependent variable, but on the other side there are independent variable. So the independent variable positively or negatively affect the dependent variable. So today I want to show econometric model on garlic production. For garlic production we have used different inputs. Among these inputs there was the soil, land, cultivation of the land, types of the soil, quality seed and weeds, as well as there was sunlight and a distance between the plants and water, and there the environment and security were also the variable which have affect the garlic production. There in the garlic production you will see different size of garlic. There is the smallest size. If you see to smallest size, this is the smallest size of the garlic. But on the other side, if you see this as the highest size of the garlic, and there you will see this is the normal size of the garlic. So different variable affect the production of the garlic. Already I have showed to you the garlic. This is the garlic pit.